Sharpens pencils of any size to maintain professional and precise application. 2 hole sizes fit a range of pencils. The cover captures shavings and allows for easy cleaning. Includes a bonus small sharpener perfect for travel. All e.l.f. products are made from skin-loving ingredients you want at good-for-you prices. All e.l.f. products are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and Leaping Bunny certified. The Dual-Pencil Sharpener is your secret weapon to a flawless face. Never have a dull pencil again. The key to professional quality application is a well-sharpened tool. No matter the size of your lip liner, eyeliner, or eyebrow pencil, this tool has you covered. The cover captures shavings and allows for easy cleaning. e.l.f. makes the best of beauty accessible to every eye, lip, and face. Your originality is infinite, and we are inspired by what makes you unique. From the early explorer to the trend-obsessed beauty junkie, glam or bare-faced, minimalist, maximalist and every look in between, we are for every eye, lip, and face. Proud to be 100% vegan and cruelty-free worldwide. Top reviews from the United States. Best and cheapest, gets the job done. I go through NYX nude lip pencils like a graphite artist who only uses No. 2 pencils. A lot of sharpening has to be done and I have like 3 of these, 1 in my stash, 1 in my travel case and 1 at my parents' house. Gets the job done.